You say you don't want to be party to the cruelty to animals.
No.
Shaka, what's in your collar? What's in your collar? Where's that carrot? Where is it, Shaka? No, put it in his collar. Where is it, Shaka?
For the record, I didn't want to do this. Shaka, where is it?
Shaka, where is it? Where's the carrot? Mom, got a carrot in my collar. All that wriggling's not going to get it out, Shaka. Or did it? Look at that! Yes! Yes, Shaka, it's not all bad.